more cost effective overall. I mean, I tell people you do you, boo. But a lot of things that I get from third-party solutions, I'm able to manage through Microsoft 365 using, that robust tool belt. For instance, rule-based calendaring is one of them. Law
I'm
Toolbox
glad you're
uses
addressing that because I was
yes.
gonna ask you. Yeah.
Yes, Law Toolbox is one of those companies that offers rule-based calendaring, but they leverage Microsoft 365 do it to do it. They leverage Power Automate to do it. I sort of feel like Dorothy and the Wizard of Oz because I was able to look behind the curtain and see what people were actually doing and how they were creating it. And because I know what I know now, I know that I can create it myself. You can create rule-based calendaring based on Excel, Power Automate, lists, and Outlook all yourself. You just had another company innovate a way to do it instead of you sort of building that solution out yourself. A DMS, a document management solution, you can go with OneDrive, you can go with Citrix ShareFile, you can go with Box, but OneDrive was very redundant of what a lot of those other
Right.
solutions were
Mhm.
providing me. So there was no reason to continue to pay for those things. All of those big expensive overhead costs had a direct result in what I was making.
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
I think that a lot of people don't quite realize that. But if what you're doing is working well for you and is saving you money, keep doing you. But Microsoft 365 is something that a lot of people have anyway, and we'll certainly all have it by the end of October of next year, unless we're in Google. So we might
Right.
as well harness the power of something we're already paying for.